Hi there, this is Becky with Success from Becky, and I'm going to teach you a few things now about doing your blog. Right now I'm currently in my Enpower blog platform, and I've got it set up, and I'm going to show you what to do to satisfy this SEO. Now I have to tell you right up front, my underline has never worked, so to be forewarned. I've already done all my tags. I have my blog done. So now what I want to do is link up. Now here's something I've got to teach you about linking. So I'm going to highlight these areas here. And in here I'm going to insert media. And I'm doing this because I already have these set up. So I want that one. I guess because the screencast is working, I'll just get rid of the number of that video. Now here's where I want to link. I highlight that. I'm going to go up here to the linker. If you don't see all of this, you have to come here. See how it says show hide kitchen sink? If you push that, you lose a bunch. If you push it back, you get it back. So I'm going to link it up. And down here I have the codes I want. And this is the one I'm going to take. This works way slower. So I'm going to right click and copy it. Reduce it. Delete that. Put this in here. And this is my Enpower. Now here is, no, I'll just go ahead and do it. So I'm going to add the link. See, it's clickable now. And I'm going to highlight this one. Most people highlight their PSs. You're just offering them another one. Again, this one here. Go up here and link it. Delete that. Otherwise, you're going to end up with two HTTPs. And this one is going to go for this one here. Copy. See, I've just got the notepad open. And paste. This is my monster cache. Okay, and add the link. Okay, now we have to SEO this. So, I have 672 words, so I should be saying garden about 1% is 6 times. Okay, so I'm not going to bother with that one. But I'm going to take this one, bold it, take this one, and italicize it. And this one. You say, well, why do you have it so often? Well, it's because that's what you do for SEO. You have to say your words over and over and over again. And the more the merrier, which sometimes is a little boring. but it's the way it's done if you're SEOing. I'm going to tell it that up there. I'm going to slow enough so you can follow me. I'm going to leave that one. No, I'll take it. Definitely have over 6 words. Oops. Okay, I've done all that. I'm going to tell it. I'm looking for the word garden. Okay, so now we have to do H1, H2, and H3, and underline. So I'm going to switch now to code. Now remember, this one here, your title is always H1. You can go in here and do your H1s, H2, so on and so on. It won't recognize it, in my experience. Maybe in yours, that's fine, but not mine. You could underline it here, but that doesn't work. It doesn't work in code either. Now I'm going to go into text. So here we have it. So this is my H1. I'm going to make this H2. So you shift H2, unbracket, go to the end of it, shift, bracket, backward slash, H2, unbracket. And here, I'm going to do the same thing, H3, go to the end of it, shift, backward slash, H3. Okay, so now I've got H1, H2, and H3. Now I have to underline. So, let me find one. There's one. That's already, here we go, right here. So I've already told it to do something which is called M, which is italicized. So I'm also going to go and put the bracket and U, unbracket, see, bracket, U, unbracket, go to the end of this one, and I'm going to put, well actually here at the end of the S, I'm going to put bracket, that slash says stop there. Okay, got that? So bracket U, another bracket, then bracket, backward slash U, and another bracket. Okay, so we have H1, H2, H3, and one underline, and I'll try another underline. Here's one here, another italicized one. So I'll go in here and do shift bracket U, unbracket, go to the end of the S, shift forward slash U, unbracket. Okay, now we have all of that done because it does recognize bold and italicized. So now what I have to do is fix something. I am definitely not sure what that was all about. Now the other thing that we have to do, I'm sorry I took a pause here to look for it. The other thing we have to do is put in a no follow. So here is a www.empower.com, then forward slash and my name, which is my ID. So back here at the .com, see this bracket here, and see this bracket here, or hyphens, that's all in it. So right about here, I put RE space, no, RE equal, no dash follow. So that's a one link done for no follow. See that? This bracket here, all of this is one part to that bracket. Now I'll go look for the next one. And this one here, forgot to show you. See that bracket A? Then it's after the .com, but this is all still going. There's the brackets and there's the end bracket. So in here, we put no, REL equals no hyphen follow. Okay? Lost my mouse. It went crash. Okay, so I'm sorry this is taking so long, but I hope you figured it out. The A, and you have the title. Some of them show it coming in here, but that didn't work. So after those brackets there, L, REL, no follow, and then the end bracket for this A. Same with the Empower one, okay? So now I'm going to go back to Visual. And we have it all set up now. We have the keywords in. And I'm going to save draft. Now, the more keywords you have, the more it crawls and looks for different parts to show your pertinence when you're hoping to be seen. Now let's go and look at